Hi, sweeties. Let's take a look at the Nuwave DUET. It is another combination pressure cooker air fryer. Y'all have been asking me to take a look at this one ever since I did the video comparing the Ninja Foodi Deluxe versus the Instant Pot Duo Crisp versus Emerald's pressure air fryer versus the Crock-Pot Express Crisp. I'll put a link to that video right up there. And those are all 8-quart combination pressure cooker air fryers. This one, as far as I know, only comes in the 6-quart size. So I didn't want to compare it against those larger ones. I thought that might not be a fair comparison. But we're going to unbox this, take our first look at the Nuwave DUET. Let's take a closer look at that box. Air fry, roast, grill, bake, and dehydrate. Pressure cook, stir, saute, steam, slow cook, warm. 10 air fry settings, 6 pressure cook settings. Sherlock safety, technology. 6-quart capacity for pressure cooking. And then 4-quart capacity for air frying. Then it's got this combo cook feature. And then we'll take a look. The app, it says 800 easy to follow recipes. Download the first ever Nuwave cooking app, and that's available on in the Apple Store and on Google Play. See what's in this box. I'm going to go ahead and start opening that right now. And it's one of those pressure cooker air fry units that comes with 2 lids, a pressure cooker lid, an air fryer lid. Take this off. Ooh, here is the pressure cooker lid. Take that plastic off. I'm sorry, this is the air fryer lid. My bad. This is the air fryer lid. And I'll give you a closer look at all these parts as we get into it. What's this? Oh, it's got a recipe booklet in here. It says 60 easy to follow recipes. And you know what? Let's do this. I'm going to flip through this recipe book and I'm going to let you decide what I cook first in this Nuwave DUET. So we'll look at a few recipes and then I'm going to ask you to leave your vote in the comments for what I should cook first. What is this? Owner's manual. That here. This looks like combo cooking presets. It comes with this quick start guide. 100 air fry cooking presets combo. So that's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that. So I'll say, all right, if you want to cook a 3-pound beef blade roast, cook it on high pressure for 45 minutes, and then you air fry it at 360 degrees for 10 minutes. So that's interesting. The only problem is I always lose this stuff, but they have an app for the Nuwave DUET, and we'll take a look at that as well. Oh, let's speed things up just a little bit, shall we? Let's take a look at the front. It's got some pressure cooker. For 1 is meat and poultry, 2 grains. 4, you can see it's got a dial here, a push start, sear, pressure, the delay cook, warm, pressure cook, combo cook, air fry. Let's turn that. And that's the pressure cook lid and the open close. This retails for, I believe it's $159 on Amazon. They also have it at Kohl's. Comes with this rack. I'll take a look and see what exactly that is. Hang on. Has an air fry basket, and that's similar to the Ninja Foodi's air fry basket. Non-stick aluminum, and it comes with this piece here on the bottom that keeps it raised off the bottom of the cooking pot, and it just snaps on like that. So it's the air fry basket made out of aluminum, and then in there, and stainless steel cooking pot. I figured out what that little rack was for. It's an air fry lid holder. So you can place the air fry lid on that and it'll hold it upright. That's unique. I haven't seen that with any of the other combination pressure cooker air fryer units. So you just place your air fryer lid right in there. And then we can take a closer look at that air fryer lid. You see the grate that covers the heating unit. And it's got up there this part here. When you place it onto the base, connects with that part right there to keep it in place. And there you have it. Nice. Here's the Nuwave DUET cookbook with over 60 easy to follow recipes, it says right there. So they have a section for pressure cooking, red beans and rice, Yankee pot roast. Then they have a section for air frying. They have some tasty looking recipes, chili coffee rub New York strip, crab rangoon. And then they have a section for combo cooking. So I want to find a recipe where we can use the air fryer lid and the pressure cook lid. Ooh, that looks good. Lemon thyme honey roasted chicken, braised beef brisket, buffalo chicken wings, lobster boil. Ooh, well that would be fun, wouldn't it be, to do a dessert in there? Ooh. This looks really good. Okay, let's choose between doing this Chinese barbecue pork chops with ginger coconut sweet potatoes. That sounds delicious. So either that recipe or stuffed peppers, chicken pepper cache. Or stuffed peppers. All right, let's do that. So leave a comment below. Tell me if you think I should do the Chinese barbecue pork chops with ginger coconut sweet potatoes recipe or the stuffed peppers. Which should be the first recipe I make in this Nuwave DUET combo air fryer pressure cooker? So yeah, leave me a comment and let me know which you vote for. Pork chops or stuffed peppers. This is interesting. It has a stage button, so you can set this unit to cook in stages, like, different temperatures. So stage lets you cook at different temperatures and times throughout the cooking process. To add a stage of cooking, you press stage once and adjust by using the start pause dial. That's very interesting. I don't think I've seen any of these units with that feature. So I'm definitely going to give that a try and let you know how it works. Let's place that top on the unit. One thing I gotta say I don't really like is the way this handle is. The air fry lid, I don't like this here handle on the top like that. I'm not a fan. It's not the most secure handle, so we'll see as we use it what we think about that. Let's measure this with the air fry lid on because that's the tallest it's going to be. It's just about 12 inches wide and 13 inches tall. So keep that in mind with your counter space, how much space you have to place something like this. Again, it goes for about $159 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description box. And it's also, they have it at Kohl's. The 6-quart Nuwave DUET is 1500 watts. See, it's an attached cord back here, so the cord does not detach from the unit. It's got a little drip tray, which I didn't take out. Wait, hang on. Little drip tray, just empty, wash out, and replace. And that is our first look at the Nuwave DUET. Let me know if you have any questions. Please leave a comment and let me know if there's anything specifically you'd like to know about the Nuwave DUET. And please vote, which recipe would you like me to make first? That pork chop recipe or the stuffed peppers? Comment below. Well, you guys will choose the winner. The one with the most votes wins. I'll also put it up on my Instagram stories, so you can vote there if you want. I'll put a link to my Instagram in the description box. So vote for your favorite recipe, and once I do that, I will put a link to that recipe right here. There'll be a recipe there eventually. And you can just go there and see how we cook with the Nuwave DUET. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and click on my face to subscribe. Let's get back into this recipe book. Yeah. Ooh, mozzarella sticks. Barbecue wings with pink peppercorns. Boston baked beans. Miso glazed sea bass with bok choy. We'll make it fancy.